finally found you. My leg's much better.
That's great, then.
But you left so quickly. I wanted to thank you. Can I do something for you in return?
Actually, you might. May I ask you for a favor? Okay, I was thinking that maybe you could put your...
I'll do it, but only because it's you.
Maya, are you sure that all our dreams should come true?
Well, yes, and we'll be with you, so don't worry.
I've a fragile little heart. Be careful.
Here we go. Hang on.
Mommy!
We did it!
Yes! Hope gives wings to those who don't have any, eh, Shelby?
Shelby! Oh, you should come out and look! It's magnificent!
Oh, boy. This is high. But it's so beautiful. Thank you, Maya. Thank you, Willy. Look, Maya. A new place for mushrooms. Who's that down there? It's Flip. Oh, he's so small. Flip! Flip! Yoo-hoo!
That little Maya.
I want to go down!
Oh, no! He's afraid of heights! You'll have to land! Quickly! Thank you, Mr. Bird. That was a fabulous flight.
My pleasure, Maya. See you soon.